Nathan, thank goodness you're here. Listen, Linda had broken down and we need an engine to cover for her.
Right, on my way. But what about my passengers?
Don't worry, Gideon will take over for you.
Come on, Nathan. Orders are orders.
Take care with the trucks, Nathan. They're being difficult today.
I will, no problem.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Then what are you waiting for? Let's get a move on.
Come on, Rivon, we must get there on time.
Alright, alright. Alright boys, on my word, we push them as hard as we can.
Oh no! My brakes!
Let's roll!
Come on, let's have him off the rails.
No, no! Stop! Stop! This isn't right! This isn't right!
Help! Help!
Careful, Nathan. Bother we can't get any further now.
I'm really sorry, sir. I tried to stop them.
I understand, Liam. I don't punish trucks that try to stop accidents.
I'm sorry, sir. I brought Linda's trucks and I was trying to be careful, but they pushed me.
Don't worry, Nathan. I will send you to the works to be repaired. I'm sure I'll get Cosmo to finish the rest of the work for you while Linda is also at the works.
Thank you, sir. That will be appreciated.
However, it is brought to my attention that you are inexperienced with trucks. When you and Linda return from the works, you will work alongside her before going back to the branch line. Then you will know all about trucks.
Hey, Nathan, are you okay?
Yeah? Guess.
What happened?
I had an accident with some trucks.
Oh dear. I did warn you to be careful.
I was. Do you think you could give me advice on what I should do when handling trucks?
Well, I'd start with the leader, Jake. The no-good van. He's always grumpy. So next time you have to handle trucks, don't bump him around.
Alright. Thank you, Linda.